Talent Search Cymru is back.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'm feeling so small. It was over my head. I know nothing at all. And will stumble and fall. I'm still learning to love, just starting to crawl. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Will swallow my pride. You're the one that I love. Now I'm saying goodbye. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something.
Well done, buddy. Zoe, what do you think of Sam's performance tonight?
Wow, like that is an overdone song, but your version then was absolutely beautiful. Like I could listen to that on repeat. I didn't realise how much I loved your tone until today. Like you do have like a really unique, I don't know what you do, but it's just like, it's like a twang. I don't know, I just love it. And your eye contact was much better this week. Like I could actually connect with you then, and I was there for it. There was so much power in them choruses. Like your belt is insane and you control it so well. You have such a good range, and I love the contrast between the verses and the choruses. Like we got to hear him more like stripped back in the verses, and then you were like just belting it out on the choruses. And the whole performance, like you just gave it so much guts and emotion, and I just thoroughly enjoyed it. So you should be super proud of yourself.
Oh, yeah. Travis?
I'm just so proud of you, man. I am. To see from where you were at the audition stage to where you are now, to how you progressed in such a small amount of time. It's just a treat to see, man. And your confidence is coming back slowly and slowly. Just like your brother, you entered for the same reasons. And I hate to say it, there was always that part of you that was worried that you weren't on the same level as your brother. You don't have to compare yourself to anybody. Okay, just because your brother, you're Sam Archer, and you're on your own level, and that proved it. That was truly something special, in my personal opinion. Vocally, best of yours to date. Again, just like Mia, you managed to take a song that is relatively overdone and made it unique to you. You switched up the melody, you switched around with the vocal qualities and everything. You added a few whispery tones in there. I loved every second. And what did that song mean to you? You didn't actually say in the beginning.
Yeah, well, truth be told, I recorded that song in a pretty dark place. My anxiety was playing up and everything, and I was going through a breakup, which, it wasn't cool.
Yeah.
But, it was to send a message to somebody, basically.
Yeah. Well, good man. Good. Round of applause, guys. Every piece of emotion was felt. Fantastic stuff, buddy. Well done.
Kelly?
Thank you. But you know, I was really worried when I saw this song choice because it is really, really overdone and it doesn't really go much. It doesn't, there's not much you can do with it. But I think we got a glimpse of that raspy, raw power that you've been hiding, and we really got to see that. And I think if you can sort of like hone in on that and enhance that and find songs that are really going to showcase, because you've got such an amazing ability, I just don't think you believe it yet. There was a beautiful riff in there, and everybody knows I'm a sucker for a good riff, and that was a good riff. I think you have got more capability than you give yourself credit for, and I think you need to get out of your head and start getting into your talent. That's how I feel with you, because you've just got so much of it, and you're just, we've got to see that in that song, which I was really surprised about. It was a lovely vocal on the verses, but we know you can do lovely. For me, it was when you really, really built it towards the end and you showcased a lot of variety. And you really pushed, you really put all of yourself into that. And I think when you lose yourself in something like that, that's when you allow the best parts of you to come out. So I think that's what we need to do with you. You need to just put your whole self into your performance so that you're not in your head. Because I honestly, Sam, you really do have a really unique ability, and you should be really, really proud of, the steps that you're making, because it was fab. Well done.
Yes, Sam, you have, and I mean, you've come back for your own reasons. You have your own reasons. You're trying to grow and trying to find yourself. In terms of the song choice, I mean, there was one particular line that Kelly picked up on, the run, and that was the only thing that I went, oh God, there's something that's worth this performance, because in terms of the song choice, I don't think it was better than last week. I thought last week was better, and vocally, but that one run, that one single run that you done, and I don't even know if you meant to do it, but it came out and it was clean. And it came down and it was quick and it was clean. And when you did that, it saved it from what I was seeing so far. And you done that and I thought, whoa, now I'm glad he's actually done the song, because we got to see that, which we didn't know he had. All you need, it's been quite a slow process. And even from the previous seasons we've had you with us, we've seen you and maybe it is to do with the brother situation, I don't know. But you really still got to step it up, Sam. That's the reality of it. As a competition, you still got to step up your game. Although I appreciate what you just done with that note then, because that was fab. Your choices need to be better. How you present them, a little bit more confident and things like that. So if you are through to next week, a bit, you need to amplify everything you're doing by another level. And don't be scared to ask questions like this week you did. Don't be scared to ask questions with us, because we want to give you the best we can possibly give out. But you should be proud of what you've just done. And in a way, I'm glad that you picked something that was connectable to you too, because it did make that little bit of difference. That passion at the end made a huge difference to the song choice, because I would have never given that song to anyone, because of how many times I've heard it. But that last bit, you showed me that here's my little bit of uniqueness. So well done. Round of applause, guys.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.